This image perfectly depicts how Tinubu man ran from the FBI in the late 80s and the early 90s. Credit to Bing AI for generating this powerful image. And Tinubu hasn't stopped running. He's still running, going by all the lawsuits he's been filing, trying to stop the release of the files that FBI have on him. Not just the FBI, other agencies of the United States, the DEA, the IRS, many of them. He has asked a court in Washington, D.C. to stop the release of these files. In fact, the condition he's asking the court to uphold is to force the FBI to give him the files to vet before they release it to the public. Imagine the audacity. For the record, these files don't belong to him. They are the property of the FBI and the Justice Department. The same way Tinubu is running is the same way the justices of the Supreme Court are also running. They are in a hurry to beat the release of these files. That's why they have fixed tomorrow to deliver judgment. Yes, what might be the reason for the sudden change of date? The judgment was supposed to be delivered on the 2nd of November 2023, but out of nowhere, for no reason, they just brought it forward. Why the sudden change? The same thing happened at the appeal court. They initially set a date and all of a sudden they brought it forward. Why are all of them in a hurry? How the Supreme Court justices will decide tomorrow is very predictable, going by how the two justices questioned Atiku's counsel on the first day of hearing. It's very clear that they will go for technicalities. For the record, Chicago State University made it very clear that the certificate Tinubu submitted to INEC did not come from them. There's no ambiguity whatsoever. This is how it is proved in Nigerian courts. When an institution that is legally authorized to produce a document denies that document, it simply means it didn't come from them. Therefore, it was forged by the person that submitted it. And the consequence of forgery is disqualification once election is concerned in Nigeria. So any other thing is a perversion of justice, is a miscarriage of justice. Whatever they like, let them conjure tomorrow. Nigerians are not deceived. Nigerians know a certificate forger when they see one. And whatever the outcome of the judgment, it will never change the fact that the certificate was forged. It's as simple as that. The job of the Supreme Court justices is to disqualify someone based on the facts before them. Even if they don't disqualify him, it will not change the testimony of Chicago State University registrar. Yes, he has said it under oath that the certificate didn't come from them, that they never issued him any certificate, even in 1979 when he purportedly graduated. The question the Supreme Court justices should be asking if they want to uphold justice is why did someone who graduated from a university fail to apply to the same university to get a replacement certificate? Yes, he never did it. They said it during their oral deposition that they never received any request to reproduce his certificate. This is the evidence they need. He didn't request for it. They didn't produce the one he submitted to INEC. He forged it. It's as simple as that. So let's all watch the abracadabra they will conjure tomorrow. Thanks for watching.